What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another weekly Forex Outlook where we go over the potential trades for the week and also opportunities that may have presented themselves in the week past. Last week, I spoke about the coming elections and how it could bring a lot of volatility to the markets, and it was very evident in the last week. There were a number of opportunities, but I just chose to stay away from the market. I didn't want my emotions, seeing the volume come into the market. I didn't want to take any position off of emotion. I just wanted to stick solely to the strategy, and so I just decided to stay off the market. But then nonetheless, we're going to go over the opportunities I was able to spot last week, what we could have done, and also the potential opportunities that are potentially going to be having in this coming week. Without any further ado, let's get straight into the video. So last week, I think in our last video, I missed a trade on GBP NZD. Let me go over to GBP NZD so I can explain better. Okay, there it is. I missed a trade on GBP NZD, and sorry, I don't think I'll be able to put this video out on Sunday like I normally do. I don't know what kind of celebration they're having in my area, but there was a crazy music, loud, that has been playing for hours and hours, and it just stopped. This almost like midnight, and I just decided to make the video. I'll probably put it out in the morning since it's going to be like too late. First thing in the morning, I'm going to try to upload this video, so just bear with me. I had intentions of doing the video, but it would have been too noisy and you guys would probably not have been able to hear what I'm going to say. So I think now is the best time. So GBP NZD, I missed an entry here, and on Sunday last week the market gave me an opportunity to enter here, but like I said, I was expecting a lot of volatility from the markets last week, so I just chose to not enter. And this trade would have been a break-even trade because the market pushed up to give me like almost 3 hours and then came back. My stop loss would have been moved to break even, so I would not have won this trade. It would have been a break-even trade. The next opportunity I spotted was on Euro USD, and I think USD CHF. I don't seem to find this. Euro USD. I have been looking for bearish continuation on this pair for quite a while. I think this happened on Friday. Yes, on Friday. So this market has been in a bearish trend. It tried to break. I had like a bias to take longs off this level last week, but the market just gapped down, tapped the level and moved. I only like to take entries off of candlestick confirmation. So the news brought volatility, and the market melted all the way from this point, melted down, came back to this area, retested and rejected. Now I could not enter over here because this was the Asian session, but on the 1 hour time frame I was eyeballing this pair. You can see this blue line. This was a double top. I was waiting for some sort of break and retest. The market broke and retested here. I just chose to sit out this one, and I marked it off like this would be how my position would be, but I never got into the position. But the reason why I'm still breaking it down is so the concepts are the same. If you find these same kinds of setups, these are the setups that you should be looking to take advantage of. just because of the news, I did not want to risk, taking a position, and it's totally fine. You know, a not getting involved in the market is better than taking a loss anytime in the day. So, um, but I think the most important thing is knowing how to spot the opportunities and knowing the kind of opportunity that you should be looking for. So that's the trade on Euro USD. The last one is Euro CHF. Let me quickly go into that. Then we go into the pairs for the week. Euro CHF, you can see from this level, we got buys over here. So the market made a double top here, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. And the 4-hour time frame, the market came and gave us a double bottom. Starting my entry, I'll still be in this trade, stops on that target above. But again, this happened on Friday. I did not get involved in this market, but it is a really clean setup, break and retest of this structural level. It's a really clean setup. If you're in the trade, kudos to you. But from this week, I'm really going to be actively taking opportunities that I'll be able to spot. Speaking of which, let's go over the pairs we have for this week. Now the first on my list is Euro JPY. Euro JPY is back at this area of value. If we go over from the weekly time frame, you can see how this market has been an uptrend. Now it came here, made a double bottom, broke out, and is currently retesting this area here. On the 4-hour time frame, you can see the market has this like choppy consolidation up in this area. So what I'll be waiting for is I want this market to give me like a shift of structure here, maybe like a double bottom or a head and shoulder, something here, something like so. Then a breakout, a test, I'll look for longs to the upside. This is ideally what I'll be looking for on this market, but I'm long on Euro JPY. CHF JPY, same thing, waiting for the market to pull back into this level, give me a shift of structure. It's going to be a double bottom, head and shoulder, test, look to continue the trend to the upside. Euro USD, I already missed this trade, so I'll just take it off. USD CHF. I still feel like this trade has the potential to come up even higher. So the market should come back to retest this whole area. I could be looking for positions all over again in this area. But if it just keeps going, we already missed the move, so I'm not going to try to chase it. Let's go further. Gold, I'm bullish on gold. Gold has broken. But gold has not really given us any sort of like steep pullback. It has just been giving us shallow pullbacks. This is like the biggest pullback we have had in quite a while. So I will not be surprised if gold actually breaks this level. But like they always say, the trend is your friend until the end, and gold is currently sitting at the level of support that's rejected. I'm still going to be looking for rejections around here, maybe something like this, and look for entry. But I'm bullish on gold. Gold has been so bullish, it has barely given us any good enough pullback to join the move to the upside. Hopefully it continues in this trend and we're able to catch the next move to the upside. GBP USD, I'm bearish on GBP USD. The market has tried to break above this level multiple times and failed. It tried here once, twice, 3 times, even here 4 times. So right now, what I'll be waiting for on GBP USD, I'll be waiting for this market to break below this level, retest, and I can start looking for shorts to the downside. Next pair on my list, NZD USD. Now these pairs are pairs that I'm going to be waiting for to play out. Like they are currently like inside of the range. NZD USD, for me to be interested in NZD, it has to clear first of all, take out this level, retest before I look for shorts to the downside. I'm bearish on NZD USD for obvious reasons. You can look and see that it has been bearish for quite a while. From this point, high, low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. And I'm anticipating this to be the next lower high point to catch the next lower low. So I'm bearish on NZD USD. Next pair on my list is Euro GBP. Euro GBP. I'm bearish on Euro GBP. The market has finally taken out this strong level of support that has been holding the market for quite a while. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the market has broken and closed below this level. So this coming week, I'm going to be waiting for the market maybe to push down a little bit more. We test, then I look for rejections to join the sales to the downside. GBP AUD. I am bullish on GBP AUD. I'm bullish on GBP AUD. The market has been stuck in between this range for quite a while, rejecting these highs and rejecting these lows, and the market has rejected this low quite strongly. I'm over here on the weekly time frame and has pushed all the way to the upside. Now the market tried to come revisit this support level, but got rejected strongly once again. So this week I'm going to be anticipating that this strong bullish pressure is going to continue and is going to help the market break out of this resistance retest, and I'll be looking for longs to the upside. AUD USD, I'm also bearish, but the market is still stuck in between this range, these highs and these lows. The market rejected these highs over here, so I'm going to be waiting for the market to break and close below this support level over here. Retest, then I'll be looking for shorts to the downside. CAD CHF. I'm bullish on CAD CHF, and I explained how I use my top-down analysis, and these pairs have really not broken into the direction I want to see, and that's why I'm going over to the weekly time frame to kind of like explain why I have this bias. You can see CAD CHF is obviously in the range here between these highs and these lows. It has been rejecting these highs and these lows, but right now it has rejected this low pretty strongly and has closed with a big bullish engulfing. So I'm anticipating that this week the market could potentially break, because the market is still holding strongly at these highs. So I'm expecting that the market could break above, retest, and will look for longs to the upside. I think these are all the pairs I have on the FX section. Let's go over to the indices. On the indices, my favorite pair is actually the US oil, which doesn't happen very often. But for the US oil, I'm bearish on US oil. This is looking like a big left head and right shoulder forming, okay, which could potentially break and give us a bigger move to the downside. But that is like projecting too far into the future. Let's stick to what you can see right now. The market is currently at a level of strong resistance, okay, and the market is rejecting strongly. The market has this bearish engulfing candle engulfed 1, 2, 3 full days of price action. 1, 2, 3, 4 days of price action. It engulfed in this one bearish candle, showing us that there is a lot of selling pressure at this level of resistance. So on the 4-hour time frame, we're simply going to be waiting. You can see this sort of double top over here. One top, push down, second top, push down. We're simply going to be waiting for the market to take out this level. We test over here. Then we'll look for shorts to the downside. SPX. This is so sad that XPX just pushed up from this level. I was anticipating that the market would first of all get over here to this level of support. I had like a zone like so. That's how I had my zone. Expecting that the market will dip into this level of support or demand or whatever it is you guys would like to call it, then give us like a clear break of structure. This was a nice double bottom. I was expecting that the market will retest this level before we look for longs to the upside, but again, with the volatility of the US elections, the market just flew very aggressively from this point all the way to the upside, which is fine. This week, simply going to be anticipating the market pull back to this level before we look for longs to the upside. Bullish on SPX 500, also bullish on the Nasdaq. Nasdaq was a pair that again, I would have been looking for a pullback into these levels to get involved in the market, which the market never really gave us. The market just flew all the way from the support level. So this week, also on the Nasdaq, pullback, rejection, buys. US 30, I'm also bullish on US 30, but again, going to be having this level like so. I'm going to be anticipating pullback, rejection to look for buys. Now for the final pair, which I'm going to be talking about today or tonight, let's go over to Bitcoin. Bitcoin is currently at 80,700, which is crazy, which is absolutely crazy. I've been expecting Bitcoin to go long for quite a while. Finally, it has broken out of this level. I do not know if Bitcoin is going to be pulling back anytime soon. If you're really interested in trading Bitcoin, maybe you want to go on the lower time frame and look for support over here. But Bitcoin is bullish, it's obviously bullish, and you look for potential supports like this, retest, rejection to look for long, because all the other support levels we're seeing, Bitcoin is just ripping higher, potentially because of the election. I think the market is just happy about the current the winner of the election, so this could potentially change. I don't know, the market could come back down. The market doesn't just keep going in a linear form, it doesn't just keep going in one direction. But for the time being, Bitcoin is moving strong, is moving higher, potentially moving to 81,000 and potentially higher. So if the market pulls back into levels like 77k, we could look for buying opportunities. If not, then we'll just wait for Bitcoin until it's ready to come back and visit some of these strong support levels that we have over here at like 72k or $71,000 per coin. And yeah, that's all the pairs I have for this week. Do also like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with your trader friends and family. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below, and I'll see to it that I look into the questions and see how to answer them as best as I can. Thanks guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye for now.